Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A fourth bearish black crow yesterday and a significant move lower with the lowest low and low close since March 2023. Prices also punched down and closed below the congestion zone between 71 3/4 to 72.30, containing the blue lower time currently at 71 3/4 of the mid-April to early July bearish shift pitch hook, as well as the September 2019 high at 71.99 and the 2020 high also at 71 3/4. And on top of this, punched down and closed below the May 2023 low at 71.29. Prices even managed to pierce the bright red middle time of the mid-April to early July bearish shift pitch fork, but did not close below it, instead opting to close ever so slightly over it. Further down is the March 2023 low at 70.11, then some December 2021 congestion at 69.27 before the December 2021 low at 65.71, so it's quite a wide area of a lot not happening in between. Now, I reported last week how the tines of the two pitchforks crossed in the middle of 2 weeks ago, and how it was not unusual to see volatility when such tines cross. And now I warn you that the next crossover will be on the 12th of September, this coming Thursday, so watch out for some potential volatility a few days after that. And so far today, a higher open and seemingly more or less right away getting clogged and stuck in the congestion zone between 71 3/4 to 72.30. Spot gold. A tricky, quite large, indecisive doji cross on Friday after the previous session's bullish opening white rebozo. It was also an outside day, and that was the tricky bit about it, being an indecisive doji cross as well. Prices made the second highest high of all time, but with the move back down later on in the session, made it not only a daily outside day, but also a weekly key reversal down last week. On the day, prices were capped by the all-time high made in August at 25.32 and supported below by the significant high made in July at 24.84. However, the market made a close back down under the combination of the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 25.09, the dark blue breached upper trend line, currently at 25.13, of the April to date broadening top pattern, as well as the bright red middle time, currently 25.23, of the late June to late July bullish shift pitch hook. The market seemed to have previously established some support at the recent lows in the 24.70 to 73 zone, so watch out below. Despite all of this, we still have overhead some potential targets topside for the original move out of the broadening top pattern. Thus, the primary target X will be in the 26.28 area, with a secondary harder to reach target X1 up in the 26.96 area. The latter is above the top of my daily chart. All these may now be under threat due to the move back down within the dark blue broadening top pattern. So far today, an interesting attempt, and I suppose follow-on low to Friday's pattern, down to the July high at 24.84, but not managing to make an impression as yet.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.